Okay, today we're going to explain one of the easiest ways to access your device without losing any information or deleting anything. We'll show you a step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery problem. We'll explain what happened to us. We forgot to set a very strong pattern lock. And just a little while ago we forgot. If that happened to you too, well, in this video tutorial we'll be explaining step by step how you can solve this problem. We're going to do the following. We're going to pull down the notifications. We're going to pull down the notifications. Here, we're going to do the following. We're going to go into this Quit Share option. Select it, pull it down. Select it again. Pull it down again, and select it again. Mode. Airplane. We're going to enable airplane mode and go in. As you can see, it let us in. Okay, now what we're going to do, since it's let us in here, we're going to tap it again. But it's blocked. We go in here. And now we tap the gear icon. This lets us into settings. Okay, if that lets us in quickly, what we're going to do is go into applications. We go into applications. If it lets us in, we're going to go into this applications menu. Here we're going to go down and look for the lock and uninstall it. We uninstall it, then remove it, turn off the screen. Turn it on, and as you can see, we can now use it.